To set any song as a custom ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy, we're going to start by opening the Contacts app, and we're going to select the contact we want a custom ringtone for. On the older One UI operating system, you would tap on Edit, View More, and at the bottom there would be a ringtone option which you would tap. On the newer operating system, we're going to exit this menu, and instead of tapping on Edit, we're going to tap on More, and here it is, Change Ringtone / Vibration. Let's tap on this one. Now we're going to tap Change Ringtone, and we're in the ringtone menu. So we have these default sounds here, and you can tap them to select them. If I turn up my audio, you can hear a preview. But to select your own music, we're going to tap the plus here. And once we tap the plus, it should automatically show your music. So you have all the tracks, and you can filter by albums or the artists. If you don't see your music anywhere here, tap on the folders button and go through these folders to see your music. If your audio file is not showing up, maybe you downloaded it from the web, then we need to move it. And to move your audio file so the operating system can see it, you're going to open the My Files app. You're then going to locate your audio file. Most will be internal storage. Then in the download here, for me, I can just long press this as it's a recent. Once you've located your audio file, tap Copy, go back to the home page, Internal Storage, Music, and just paste the ringtone by tapping Copy here. I already have the same ringtone, but I'll just tap on Replace. And then you should see this music. Tap that, and our ringtone is going to show up. And we can tap it, and then we'll tap on Done. And once we select the custom ringtone, we now have that custom ringtone playing. To change the default ringtone for all contacts, you just open your settings, and then you go to Sounds and Vibration, and then you tap on Ringtone, and this menu will change the ringtone for all of your contacts